In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a project in Asana. Whether you're cleaning up old work or removing a test initiative, I'll guide you through what to click, what to confirm, and a few important safeguards so you don't lose anything you still need. Before you begin, make sure you have the right permissions. Typically, you need to be the project owner or have edit rights in that team or workspace. If you're unsure, check with your team admin or look at the project members to see your role. It's also smart to quickly review the project for any active tasks, dependencies, or files teammates might still rely on. If anything looks important, consider exporting a CSV or printing the project to PDF as a quick backup. Open Asana and locate the project in the left sidebar. If you don't see it immediately, use the search bar at the top to type the project's name, then click into it to open the main project view. You'll see the project title at the top. Next to that title is the Project Actions menu, usually shown as a small drop-down arrow or three-dot icon. Click that to reveal the project options. From that menu, select the option to delete the project. Asana will display a confirmation prompt to prevent accidental deletions. Read the message carefully, since removing a project will take it out of your workspace and can also remove its contents. Confirm the deletion when you're sure you no longer need it. Depending on your organization settings, there may be a short window where a project can be restored from a trash or recovery area. Policies vary, so if you make a mistake, reach out to your admin promptly to see what's possible. If your real goal is simply to get the project out of everyday view, consider archiving instead of deleting. Archiving hides the project from active lists while keeping its tasks and history intact for reference. You can find the archive option in the same project menu and unarchive later if needed. This is a great choice for completed initiatives, compliance records, or anything you might revisit. To recap, open the project, use the Project Actions menu next to the title, choose Delete and Confirm. Double-check permissions, save anything important, and use Archive when you just want to declutter. With these steps and tips, you can keep your Asana space clean, organized, and safe from accidental data loss.